Hello friends, today on this video I will show you how to set the system ringtone. Before you continue this video, subscribe the channel and like the video. So let's start the video. First of all, have to go here from setting, then scroll this from here sound and vibrations. Click here and then here's ringtone. Click here, then so like this, then here from my profile, then click here ringtone, then hold here. Hmm. Hmm. There. Here that system ringtone. If you want to apply this one or this one, you have so many here. You can apply here that has right this apply. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel, like the video, and do not forget to click the bell icons. And thanks for watching this video.